Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. Want to take full control of your email and stop relying on third-party services? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete a VPS mail server setup, step by step, so you can manage your email with confidence, improve email deliverability, and your inbox clean with proper spam protection. If you're using Linux, you should choose your platform first. I recommend starting with Postfix and Dovecot. They handle sending and receiving email securely and reliably and give you full control over SMTP configuration. On Windows, a great choice is hMailServer. It's free, open source and comes with support for SMTP, IMAP and POP3. When it comes to basic installation, on Linux it's as simple as running this command to install Postfix. And on Windows, download hMailServer and walk through the installation. Just be sure to install .NET Framework 3.5 first. Windows Server Manager makes this easy. Now let's connect your domain. In your DNS settings, add MX and A record that point to your server's IP. For proper email deliverability, don't forget to set a Reverse DNS, also known as PTR record. Many providers check this before accepting your emails. Security is non-negotiable in any VPS mail server setup. To lock things down, enable SSL TLS with Let's Encrypt so your mail is encrypted in transit. Configure SMTP authentication to ensure only trusted users can send email from your server. Add SPF, DKIM and DMARC records to boost email deliverability and defend your domain against spoofing. Next, let's tackle spam protection. On Linux, install SpamAssassin. On Windows, hMailServer works great with ClamWin antivirus. These tools help filter junk before it hits your inbox. To wrap it up, send a test email using the mail command on Linux or an email client like Thunderbird. Monitor logs and the mail queue to make sure everything's working. This helps confirm your SMTP configuration is working as expected and your emails are getting delivered. If you want a GUI-based solution, Contabo servers also support Plesk and cPanel. These control panels simplify VPS mail server setup, making it easy to create accounts, manage spam protection, and fine-tune SMTP configuration without touching the terminal. Running your own mail server isn't just about saving money. It gives you control, security, and freedom to customize. With the Contabo VPS, you get the performance and flexibility you need to build a powerful email system. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!